Alright, so we have changed the payment from hosted to being direct, which is the payment will happen on our website. So I'll show you a demo for it. If I go on to the checkout, the payment mode is in test mode right now. If I select CircoFlows, you will see that I have the card fields over here only instead of going to the third party URL. It also has the notice for card mode enabled. For now, or for the first test, I'll use a card which simulates a success payment. So if I enter the card and I agree to terms and conditions, the order will be directly placed. If I check here, the order is placed with the appropriate order notes inside it. If I try to do a payment with an invalid card, which is supposed to be declined, for example, if I go to checkout, select CircoFlows and try an invalid card, it will just tell me the reason and that the payment has failed. So for example, right now, I stay on the checkout, it says payment declined, payment failed. If I check on the back end, the order is created in a failed state. Now if on the checkout I just correct my card with a success one and try this again, the payment will go through and it will not create another order but just mark this one as processing since it is the same order which was retried. So if I check this order now, you can see the notes here that it was initially failed due to being declined and then it was processed like normal. The third type is 3DS payment. So if I try to add the product to cart again, I can go into CircoFlows and try this card, which is a simulation of 3DS payment. So if I try to place the order, it will simulate an authentication or 3DS authentication. I can choose success, approve, and the order is again handled like normal. If you would like to test out any of these in the test mode, then you can just use the test card provided by the CircoFlows documentation as well, which are these ones. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.